Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mod. And today guys, we're doing that 89 Batmobile. So we are going to do stage 5 of Build the Batmobile. Now, I've gone from doubling these down to sort of single stages. It's only because of the amount of quality there is to do is quite phenomenal on this build. It really does give. In the quantity that you have to do. Now we are going to be starting working on the turbine engines today, but I've got reminiscence of the X-Wing because we're doing this work, but you're not going to see it, which is a shame. It's a big shame. I would have preferred it if they'd actually let us see the inside, but there's obviously a process to the madness, so we'll just have to wait and see what that is. Anyway, let's go up to the build desk. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so stage 5, we are going to be working on the turbine engine today. I don't have a magazine for this, so I will be using Todd or Marvel Phoenix's instructions from mypartworks.com to help me out here. So, first thing we need are these two parts here. What he wants us to do is just basically to put this inside of here like so. Okay, nice and easy, nothing much to worry about. Then he wants us to take these two fans here. Now I am having to make sure I have a look at my laptop how these go together. So they can only kind of go on one way like that. Okay. And then it wants us to put these onto the shaft itself. Remember, these are going to be moving parts, so I want to make sure they're a little bit free in a way, but we also have a D-shaped, so they can only go on the turbine one way. Just like so. Okay, moving on to the next step, we have some casing here and some details. Now these details are going to go into the holes just on here. Now I'm going to glue these in just to make sure that they stay in there. So just getting a tad of glue out. Because I think these will definitely come out. I'll do the first two holes and then get these in. Okay, so that's one in. I'm going to do the next one. I think it was definitely wise to glue these in here. Okay, so they're in and they're not going to go anywhere now. Next thing we need to do is we need to take and put this on. Now it goes on in a certain way where it lines up with this notch here. So you can't really get this wrong. What I tend to do is rotate it until it falls into place, but it's not doing. There it is. Right, so like that. And then it kind of sits in there. It's not going to sit flush though. Okay, so with that in place, we need to screw it in. And that is going to be done with 3 type D screws. So 1, 2, 3, just taking them from my screw pot. And we'll get this in place. It's a shame that we've just covered them fans, but there's always a method to the madness, I suppose. And this is very early days in this build. It would be nice to see the internals working, but a lot of these things, they just are covered up because it's just the way things are. So it's making sure these are nice and tight. Okay, so that is in there. Now that does move around a little bit, but it's not going to be a problem. Right. The next thing we need to do, I'm just looking, is we need this part next. Now this can only go on one certain way, so it's going to go over there like that, and then these two pegs align with 2 holes. So that is on there. And then finally we need to take this turbine and we're just going to slot it over just like that, and that's just going to sit there. And then that's all there is to do in this stage, guys. So like I said, it's a bit intense at the beginning. It should quieten down a little bit so I can go back to doing 2 stages at once, but that's pretty impressive to say that it's going to be on the car. It's just a shame the 2 turbines that we put in here we're never going to see again. So yeah, but there's a method in the madness, and I'm sure it will all come together in the end. So guys, that is stage 5 complete. Well guys, that is it for the 89 Batmobile for this week. Very, very quick issue to do. Well, I wouldn't say quick, but there was quite a lot in detail in that one. But it is a shame things are being hidden away. It would have been nice to see the workings of that, just maybe like a cutout section. But sometimes it just isn't possibly able to do that. So yeah, we're just left with what you know is there, but you can't see it at the end of it. So should be interesting anyway. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.